Hello everyone, so this is the bathroom sink that I have. The water is draining very slow as you can see, and there is an easy fix for that. So you can just open and close to take that part out. Actually, I do not know what that is called. Look at that. Yuck.
I'm cleaning it up.
So as you said, we can just clean this up.
I cleaned it up. I only put the video. Ew!
So use a brush like this. I'm using my son's brush that was not in use, and anything you can get. So I just clean it up. Look at this, how clean it is looking from black to white. So it's all cleaned. Just do your best. I think most of it comes off. Look at that now after cleaning. Very clean from black to white. After cleaning, you can just drop it down. And before you put it back, please actually it's good idea to clean inside. I'll just like this. Use the same brush, clean it around. And like I said, you can use whatever you have that you can clean it with. So just clean it all around. Sorry. So after cleaning, just put it back where it was. And look at that, the water is already draining fast. Sorry about the video. My 5-year-old son is taking this video. Look at that, easy DIY. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe for more DIY. Thank you very much. Bye bye.